Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to Trupti's Craft Weekly Life. If you are new to my page, my name is Trupti and I am paper quilling artist. So, how are you doing everyone? How is your vacation going on? I hope you are enjoying the summer. Um Now let's start today's live. This week I made one lady portrait. You must have seen on my page. Let me show you close up. So this is the portrait. You can see I made scrolls and glue them as a hair, and I use headphone as a prop, and I also added necklace and pendant. And one of my customer wanted this with lips, quilling lips. So I also added lips here. And if you want, you can just get without lips. I think I put the picture with the without quilling lips, but I can just add lips, or if you want I can change headphone color, or if you want I can also change the necklace and pendant. So this will be very beautiful gift for your friend or for yourself. And the size of this frame is 8 by 10. And next, I started doing one project, but it's not finished yet. But let me show you. I'm doing one dog. It's not finished yet. This is actually Clifford the Red Dog printout, but it's a copyright character. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it as a just white, black and white colored dog. You can see I just started it. I just did outline, and I fill up some of the area with white strips like this. So I'm going to make long eye shapes, and I'm going to fill this with those eye shapes. So just for this one, it took me 1 hour. So I just did border. I just uh, glued this. I just made this nose, this part, and this part. So it took me 1 hour to make just this one. And oh, I also did eyes. And I hope I will finish this by tomorrow or by day after tomorrow. So this is my next project. And after that, I will do one more portrait. I don't know which one I'm gonna do it. That's why I ask you your opinion about which that portrait. Which one should I do? But a lot of people are giving me different choices. So let's see. I'm not sure yet which one I'm gonna do it. But I'm sure I will do at least one of them in next week. So today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful rose. So let me start my other camera. Okay, let me adjust it. Okay. Okay. So just like other projects, you need paper strips, sorted tool, and glue. I'm going to use yellow color rose. So I used 2 shades of yellow. You can choose any color, you can choose any shades. So I have 2 shades of yellow. So first I'm going to use dark shade paper, and then I'm going to make a tight coil. Just a minute, I will just move. Okay. So let's make tight coil. This is slotted to insert strip inside the slot and then roll it. Roll it gently. Roll whole strip or you can just use half strip. Take glue and put glue and hold it for few seconds. And then remove it. So this will be the middle part of the rose. Now we will make crescent shapes. So I'm going to show you how to make it. For this one also I'm going to take okay, let me show you first. I will make big one. So let's make loose coil first. Roll it. You need circle sizer. Now let's make big crescent shape. So I'm going to choose this size circle. Put coil in this. Let it open. Now what I am going to do? Remove this coil. Hold it. And this is open part, right? So what we are going to do? You have to pinch it on this part. So hold it and bend it, pinch it and bend it like this. And then put glue. So you will have crescent shape like this. I will show you one more time. Just roll it. Remove it, put it in one circle, let it open. If you want, you can put glue here only and then take it out and bend it like this and then pinch it. So this is crescent shape. So we need 4 small size crescent shapes like this, and then 4 to 5 of 5 little bit bigger medium size, and then 5 big size crescent shapes. So we are going to use different size crescent shape. Now I will show you how to glue it together. So take tight coil, put it here, and we also need pins. Okay, so take one pin and push it. So this will be middle part of the rose. Now take small crescent shape and put glue. Now arrange these shapes around this tight coil. You can bend these shapes more and put pins. And then arrange it around this. Don't forget to use pins for this flower. Pin is very important. Otherwise, we have to hold all the things together for a long time. But with pins, you can just pin it and keep it like that. So the middle part of rose is ready. It will look like this. And then we are going to arrange middle size petals around it. So you can have 4-5 medium size petals. And now just put glue on all petals. Like this. Now take pins. We need a lot of pins to make this. Now here, put one pin at one corner. Now this is open part, right? What we are gonna do, just take another petal and insert that petal under that first one and put pin on it. And now this is first petal, right? So just move this petal near it. Now we are going to use another petal here inside and then put pin here and again put glue and pin here. Just like this, we are going to arrange these petals and then glue it. This is the last one. And now what we can do, take large size crescent shapes and then we will use this large size crescent shape. You can just mix and match shades. You just don't have to use one shade for one round. You can, because it's a flower, right? And you know rose flowers has different shades, so you can use different shades here. So I'm almost done here. I think I need more large size petals. I will make, I think, 2 more. And when I sometimes I use this electric slotted tool, battery operated, so it's easy. I can make coils very fast. So if you want, you can also buy this kind of slotted tool. It's not that costly. I think when I bought it, it was uh, $12, but it's, I think, 5 years back. Now you will get a lot of varieties and you will get uh, I think for $8-9 you will get it. I think, I'm not sure, but it's not that costly. If you have pain in your hand, then you can just use this slotted electric battery operated slotted tool and it will be fast. So I think it's enough. Now put glue. Now let's glue this. Just put glue. And then arrange this. You can use these flowers as a magnet or just glue it on the card or make a frame. And you can just use different colors like this. Your flower is ready. Right now I have a lot of paints, so you will not able to see this flower clearly, but when it's dry tomorrow I will take a picture and I will post that picture so that you will get very nice idea how the flower will look like. So I hope you like uh, seeing this flower, and I hope you will make something with quilling. And if you make something, don't forget to take a picture and share with me. I will love to see your creations. And if you have any questions regarding quilling, you can ask me anytime. So, till next time, happy quilling. Bye.